question. Now who rep Jersey like me? Maybe few dudes ain't worthy like me. You know I keep something pretty by me. Good pair of frames, polo white tee. I see something with a body, have them like please. Extra small waist, top looking like these. God don't cuff them or make them wifey. Cause you ain't Coco and I ain't iced tea, so it's unlikely I trick on a China ball. Tattoo on the back said China doll. Joey, talk to him like I'm a Charlotte. To a brother need a Tylenol. Now let's keep what we do on a no one raw, just a one man. Let's break out from the club around 4, but it's just one thing that I must know. Can we? She said she had a man, but so it's just one thing that I really must know. Can we? I mean, I've been seen abroad. You just met her. I'm in a hotel with her. You just text her. You just chase her. You just sweat her. She plays you out. You just let her. You just peck her. You protect her. I don't even understand them gestures. I undress her, throw on a dresser. Normally the girl look like Esther, but if she act up, gotta check her. RL next to that's just my regular, etc. My service like Federer, the Roger Cat. Now do you Roger that? Let's keep what we do on the low. No on the raw, just a one-man show. Let's break out from the club around 4, but it's just one thing that I must know. Can we? She said she had a man, but so it's just one thing that I really must know. Can we? How you doing tonight? Matter of fact, what you doing tonight? If the answer's nothing, I'm hoping us two could get into something. So let me know what you doing tonight. Or maybe I'm what you doing tonight. Call me up naked when she home alone and make a tone moan. That's the phone bone, look. I ain't gotta compliment you on me being me compliment you. So on the balcony or in the tub, on the plane join the Mount High Club, from the club to the bathroom stall, whenever, wherever, cause she ain't wearing no drawers. Ooh baby, I like it, but keep that behind closed doors, my dog.